Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to one of the best wireless soundbars for TVs that's making waves for its performance and design, the Vizio V21 DJ8 wireless soundbar. If you're looking to take your TV sound to the next level without breaking the bank or cluttering your space, then stay tuned because this soundbar might be exactly what you need. Let's get started. Product features. All-in-one design. First off, the V21D features an all-in-one design. What does that mean? It means that everything, speakers, subwoofer, amplifier, is built into a single compact soundbar. No extra boxes or wires running all over your room. It's sleek, clean, and incredibly easy to set up. Striking audio performance. Now, don't be fooled by the small size. This soundbar packs a punch when it comes to audio. With support for Dolby Audio and DTS Digital Surround, you get a surround sound-like experience from just one bar. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming music, the clarity and depth of the audio will impress you. Minimal and modern design. The design is another highlight. The Vizio V21D has a clean, angular, and low-profile silhouette that fits perfectly under most TVs. Its minimalist look blends in effortlessly with any modern living room setup. No distractions, just sound and style. 2.1 channel stereo sound. Internally, the V21D features a 2.1 channel configuration. That's stereo speakers paired with an integrated subwoofer. So not only do you get crisp highs and detailed mids, but also deep, punchy bass without the need for an external sub. It's the perfect combination for a rich, immersive sound experience. Pros. All-in-one simplicity makes setup easy and requires no extra parts. Impressive audio clarity delivers immersive sound without distortion. Versatile use lets you enjoy movies, music, or games with balanced sound. Wireless connectivity streams music directly from your phone or tablet. Sleek design fits neatly under your TV and matches modern decor. Cons. No HDMI ARC means you need to use optical or Bluetooth to connect. Bass limitations may affect large rooms or those wanting deep bass. Limited EQ customization only offers basic sound presets without advanced tuning. Final thoughts. To wrap things up, the Vizio V21 DJ8 wireless soundbar is a fantastic all-in-one sound solution for anyone who wants better TV sound without the bulk and hassle of a full home theater system. It's compact, easy to use, and delivers surprisingly powerful sound for its size. With modern features like Dolby Audio, Bluetooth streaming, and a built-in subwoofer, it ticks a lot of boxes, especially considering its affordable price. If you want great audio, sleek design, and simple setup, the Vizio V21D is a smart choice for your entertainment setup. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deals and discounts. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more honest product reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.